Yes, hello everyone. This is Bukoma Victor from Mama Uganda Family, the only mother with 44 children. Today we're cleaning our compound and let's take it through.
Yeah, my name is Samuel Swaikani as usual. Mama Uganda's son and at home of Mama Uganda. So we're going to show you how we clean like the compound also and our house. So we're going to be able to see everything. Please subscribe, comment and share for more videos. Thank you. Let's the work start. Yeah, oh my bro, what are you doing?
Hello my people. So right now I'm trying to clean the compound basically around us. Thank you.
Yeah. Yo, hey bro. What are you doing?
Just speaking the
What are your names?
Settled Abukari.
Sitting up Carry. Now what are you doing now?
Just speaking liters.
Meters. As usual, Mama Uganda and family, please comment, subscribe and share. We're going to show you how we move our house, how we clean the house. So we are going to show you this thing and we're going to show you someone who's cleaning the house and he or she will tell you the names and why she's cleaning the house. So come on, see. Yeah. For now, this is our sitting room. As you see, these are our chairs, or you can call them sofa sets. And also, this is the bedroom where my young siblings, sleep. These are the beds as you see. For now, they are at school this time. They are not around at home. That's why I've decided to make this video when my young sisters are at school. I don't want disturbance and confusion. So this is where my sisters sleep. As you see the beds, two on each bed. Let's go. Hello, how are you? Yeah, this is the girl who is mopping the house, and by name she is Nawatan Saisha. Yeah, Nawatan Aisha. What are you doing now? She's mopping the house. Let's go and show you other bedrooms where my sisters sleep. Yeah, this is our where I watch television from. Our sitting room. This is our sitting room. Yeah. Yeah, this is our kitchen. As you see, this is our firewood. Don't really forget that we are at Mama Uganda, the woman with 44 children, and we are the sons of Mama Uganda. Me showing you, I'm Regan. So please comment, subscribe, and share for more videos. This is our firewood, as you see, and this is my brother. He is cooking sauce. My bro, what is your name? My name is Sula. Sulaiman. Wasema kusema wewe. Wanaongea school, you complete the studies. You complete the studies as you see. Now he's cooking as sauce. You know, at our home, all the boys and girls, we cook food at our home. Now this is our portion as you see. This is like our breakfast at our Mama Uganda family. This is our sauce. Like we are cooking walnuts, as you see, and that is maize. So let's go. This is the house of my young brother, and by name is Senton Abdul. Let's see and see how clean is my brother. Yeah, this is the house of my brother, as you see, my young brother, Senton Abdul, and you see the bedroom. This is the bedroom of my young brother, Setong Abdul Karim, and for today the room is very nice. It is well cleaned, as you see, and also you can see some of the pictures. The guy is very talented in art. She do very nice pictures. This is a picture for my mom, as you see. Mama Uganda is here. This is a picture for my mom, and also the school uniforms are there around. And like the dressing mirrors, as you see, they are here around, and also the soap. Yeah, it's in press. Yeah, let's go and show you another thing. This is some of the rooms for my older brothers, and they are not there. We are not going to enter there. Yeah, this is our store, and also this one. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, because today I want to show you everything. This is our water tank. Yeah, our water source, as you see. The water is very fresh and clean. It's very good and so sweet. It's nice for drinking. Yeah. Take a little bit of water. It's very clean and it's very pure water. Yeah. Yeah, this is my sister. This one. Hello, my people. Welcome to my room. Waswara Uganda's room. The person who runs the YouTube for Mama Uganda. So please comment, subscribe, and share for more videos. I know I take long without posting videos, but I have a problem of data. Also, I have to go to school, so it challenges me. As you know, people have many challenges in life. So don't worry, I'll never give up. I'll continue posting videos as I can, much as I can. So welcome to my room, and we're going to see how nice is my room. So let's enter and see. People, this is my room. Waswara Uganda's room. Mama Uganda's son. Mama Uganda's son. Mama Uganda's lovely son, who runs YouTube. Yeah, an interpreter at home. Yeah, this is my Bible in my room. This is my fan, as you see, and also my cupboard. Also, you can see my bed. Yeah, this is my radio. Yeah, it's in place, and also my dining table. You can see, and also my chair, as you see. Yeah, also my fan. You can see my fan where I put dirty clothes, my jig cans, and also my woofer. I know you know woofer, and also television, and my seat. Yeah, this is where I put clothes and shoes. My watch is in place, and also, as you see, everything is in. Yeah, that's the way I will clean our home, and also clean our house and the compound. So thank you for watching our video to the end. Please continue commenting, subscribing, and liking. People who want help Mama Uganda and don't know the ways of how we can help Mama Uganda, commenting and subscribing, sharing our videos is the way of helping Mama Uganda. Please, thank you so much.